Hey everyone! Welcome to Side Hustler, where we explore the best ways to make some extra cash online. Today, we're diving into Inbox Dollars, a site that literally pays you for doing things you probably already do on the internet. Let's get into it. Inbox Dollars offers its members multiple ways to earn cash by engaging in various online activities. The platform has built a reputation for providing a variety of tasks that fit different preferences and schedules. Here's a detailed look at all the ways you can make money with Inbox Dollars. First up, signing up is a breeze, and you get a cash bonus just for joining. Now, who doesn't love free money, right? Once you're in, you'll find a variety of ways to earn, such as taking surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. Inbox Dollars partners with market research firms to provide surveys to its members. You'll find surveys on a wide range of topics, and you can choose which ones you want to participate in based on length and payout. The amount you can earn per survey varies, typically ranging from 50 cents to $5, with some specialized surveys paying more. One of the unique ways to make money from Inbox Dollars is paid emails. Inbox Dollars sends you emails with offers from its advertisers where you can earn a lot of money. You'll also receive paid emails that pay you for clicking on the button that says, "Confirm this paid email." This contributes to the progress bar to earn money with Scratch and Win. These emails do have expiration dates, so make sure to check them daily to earn. Playing games. Inbox Dollars partners with game developers to offer cash rewards for playing games. This includes both casual games and more competitive ones. You might need to reach a certain level in the game or play for a certain amount of time to earn your reward. The earnings vary depending on the game and the specific tasks or achievements required, but are often quite substantial. Completing offers. Earn cash by signing up for offers or services. This could include starting a free trial, subscribing to a newsletter, downloading an app, or making a purchase. Offers vary widely in terms of requirements and rewards. Some offers pay significantly higher than other tasks, especially those requiring a purchase or subscription, but always read the terms carefully. Inbox Search Engine. Instead of using your regular search engine, use the Inbox Dollars search engine for your online searches. You'll win progress towards your next Scratch and Win when you complete 4 qualified searches. Shopping online. Inbox Dollars offers cashback for shopping at certain online retailers through their platform. If you're planning to make a purchase online, check if the retailer is available through Inbox Dollars to earn a percentage back on your spending. Inbox Dollars offers a feature called Magic Receipts, which allows you to earn cash back for uploading receipts from your shopping trips. There are 2 types of receipt uploads you can take advantage of: Magic Receipt Uploads and Any Receipt Uploads. Inbox Dollars offers a browser extension called the Billy button. Save your time and money when shopping online and never miss a cashback rewards opportunity with the Inbox Dollars Billy button. Get cashback rewards through thousands of participating retailers with the simple click of a button. The Billy button notifies you if the site you are visiting offers cashback rewards. You'll also receive alerts when valid coupon codes are available and automatically apply the best coupon codes at checkout. Ready to give it a shot? Check out the link in the description below to sign up and snag your bonus. And, as always, keep exploring smart ways to make extra cash by subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.